Canadians. The government... Hey, John Tory, can you hear us? We're talking to the same John Tory who pretends to be the mayor of Toronto. How do you do it, John? How do you look into the camera every day and feed us BS without cracking a smirk? Isn't it fitting that after a long political career full of failure, that you finally became mayor of the greatest city in the world, only to betray everyone who lives here? But as we all know, you're not affected by the lockdowns, are you? You get to keep your job while you sit up there in that condo, disassociated from the real world. What you should be asking yourself is, why are all these good people standing out here in the cold calling you a criminal? Look, we get it. At some point, you accepted a suitcase full of cash, and now you answer to handlers who control what comes out of your mouth. Fine. But that does not excuse you from being a lousy human being. May I remind you that because of your willingness to go along with this sick narrative, you're still responsible for the spike in suicides and drug overdoses. You're still responsible for putting families out of business, and you're certainly playing a key role in this so-called reset that, of course, will eventually destroy our country. I think everyone saw the real John Tory when you aired your disappointment with the Toronto police for not shutting down Adamson Barbecue fast enough. You know, the guy that was just trying to support his family? You played the tyrant's role very well. Congratulations. So here's our promise to you. We, as proud Canadians, will continue preserving our rights and freedoms that our grandparents fought and died for. You will not break us. It is we, the people, who have the power, not the other way around.